Hi guys, so today is Friday and this starts my birthday maintenance. All of my other maintenance except like my wax, my like Brazilian and my eyebrows will be done by me. Today I'm heading to go get my facial. It was originally scheduled for Monday next week. Wait, no, actually tomorrow. It was actually scheduled for tomorrow, but something's going on, so they had to like bump me up for today. So yeah, that's where I'm headed. So y'all gonna see me get my facial. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get there because I want to jam to my music. So peace. Mwah. Still fucking with the same ass nigga. Lil Durk. I heard you wanted to 50 something with the queen. What's good?
So this can help tone your face, but it's not slimming or toning. It's more for getting rid of fine lines, wrinkles. It helps brighten your face. It helps with acne as well. We do have slimming and toning, but that's more for the neck area. We can't do the heat on your face just because it's too harsh for your skin, since your skin can be sensitive.
Oh, thank you. That's the product paradox. Okay. I'm so sorry.
You're fine. I promise I do not even hear it. My stomach will be growling and I'm like, they probably hear my stomach right now, but it's okay.
Hi guys, I'm back from my facial. I'm back. It went really good. Like, it was relaxing and it felt good, especially like when she used her hands and like, doing the simple things. I told you I was coming in here.
I thought you.
But yeah, it felt really good, and I don't like see a difference like right now. If anything, my skin just looks glowy. Okay, but yeah, like I was saying, she told me, she shared the benefits of like what it does, what it's good for, and yeah, I'm really happy that like I signed up. I forgot what I was about to say, but yeah, I'm really happy that I signed up for this and like I'm doing these. And she did let me know like with these type of facials you do 3 days apart, you know, that's the minimum. So you can do 3 days apart, let me say that, that's the minimum or whatever. But it was really good. They're all like very nice and sweet. Yeah, and it was relaxing like I said. So can't wait till next week. But peace. See y'all on my next maintenance thing, which is probably, I don't know what it's gonna be. It'll probably be my hair. Yeah, I'll probably work on my hair first, and then I'll do my nails. If anything, like I'll do my toes. Ooh, I was supposed to get full. Oh no, I said I was gonna get that tomorrow because I'm like bleaching my the knots on my wig so I can wash them and everything. And yeah, so peace. Hey gorgeous besties, so it's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, one day before my birthday. And y'all, I'm packing. It's like 11, about almost 11. Y'all, I have my outfits ready and together, and like I already tried them on. Everything is fitting. I'm just last minute AF. I don't have my lashes done, I don't have my nails done, toes done, my hair isn't done. I haven't even washed it. Like, why do I procrastinate so much, so bad? Let me finish packing, y'all. Peace. Hey guys, so it's still Wednesday. It's later. It's almost 3, and finally about to get on the road again. I'm saying again because we just had to turn around because I left y'all. Y'all was gonna be stuck here. So, but we turned around and came and got y'all. So, see y'all in Nashville. Peace. Hey y'all, so as y'all can see, we made it to the hotel, and Wiggins hair, count your fucking days. This hair is trash. I'm not even gonna say it's trash, but sis is shedding. Okay, sis is, let me see, can y'all see all of the hair on here? Like, do y'all see that? Probably not. I'll clump it up and put it in a bottle because it's really a lot of hair. And I do normally wash my wigs when I first get them, but as y'all saw, I do not have time, okay? I do not have the time today to do that, okay? What the heck? Y'all, I'm so sorry. I am using my new tripod, and I don't know how to set this bitch up. How do this work? Okay, I know that ain't how it go, but this how it's just about to be for right now. Okay, so it's Valentine's Day. I am alright, y'all, this is the hair. Like, so that's probably not a lot, honestly. I'm probably tripping, but girl, it's still, every time I run my fingers through it, I'm getting hair. It's giving AliExpress, honestly. So, but anyways, back to what I was talking about. Back to the fit details. So this whole fit is fashion over, from the top to the skirt to the what are these? Boots, okay? I'm gonna show y'all the boots. Give me a second. And then I'm gonna show y'all rooms for a little later, because like the room kind of messy right now, so because we just got here and we're trying to like move fast. It's Valentine's Day. We're trying to get something to eat, you know. Let me show you that fit. Okay, so this the fit here. Okay, she got a skirt here. I was gonna try to like do the little button thing, but I don't think she was giving. I think it's like just, you know. And I was trying to have it like real low rise here. Let me try that. But girl, I don't have like hips like that, so it's not giving the look like that I wanted to give, you know. So we gonna fix that and put that back up here. But yeah, so like I said, this is the fit and it's Valentine's Day. I'm trying to give alternatives like anti-Valentine's Day. This is a theme that I normally do. Let me turn this off. I'll turn it down. But this is like the theme that I normally go for Valentine's. Just cause what Valentine's, bitch? No, I don't know why. I just be like in my alternative thing, rock star, you know. Valentine's, it just be giving black with a pop of pink. Like, I can't really remember the last time I wore pink on Valentine's Day, honestly. So, girl, yeah. But this is today. Oh, and this is the wig. I just sprayed my lace tint spray here. Yeah. Yep. And put on my lipstick stuff. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, you put the bottles in the what you call it? In the fridge.
Yeah.
No, the one.
Okay.
Oh, okay, yeah. Hey guys, it's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Right now I'm looking bummy and just chilling. I just want to enjoy my birthday. Like, this morning was amazing, and it's like 3. Yeah, it's almost 4 right now. It's 3:37. I'm just kind of chilling today, just taking it in, just enjoying my birthday. I'm eating food right now. We got this place called Condado. They have tacos, tequila, margaritas, like stuff like that. Here, I got the crunch box. This is what one of the tacos looks like. It's the firecracker taco. I think I got like 2 of these, and some other stuff or whatever. And we got queso here with like stuff in it. I don't know what it is, I forgot. But it's supposed to be spicy. It's not spicy at all. And I'm just watching Burleezy with my baby, enjoying my birthday. So I will probably see y'all later tonight, but if not, I will see y'all tomorrow for sure. So peace. Mwah. Hey y'all, real quick check-in before I head out for tonight. It is the day after my birthday, but you know it's still my birthday. Yeah. I gotta redo my lip a little bit, but it's the vibe. I just took pictures in my birthday outfit, the outfit that I was supposed to wear for my birthday, but I didn't because I was just chilling and my foot was messed up. But y'all don't know about that yet, because Fashion Nova showed me these cheap, dusty, dirty ass boots that fucked up my foot. I'm suing you bitches. I'm dead ass serious. I'm not. But no, they really did fuck up my foot. Like, I'll show y'all a picture or whatever, but they fucked up my foot. For real, for real. Like, I'm walking better on it now today, but yesterday I thought I was gonna have to get my foot amputated, for real, okay? So yeah, but I'm gonna see y'all later. Here go the details. Coach earrings, Milana B, Pretty Little, well, this is off of Amazon. I think this is from Pretty Little Thing. Kate Spade charm thingy, got this off of Amazon too. Fashion Nova pants. Adidas wig and tear, and makeup. See y'all later. Forgot to show y'all what the room looked like. Little kitchen area, dishwasher, stove, microwave, came with dishes, like pans and everything to cook with. Like, it was like fully stocked and just had a lot of storage. We got kitchen utensils, everything you can need. Nice closet, light comes on when you open that door. Nice space. This is what the bed looks like of the room right here. TV. Beautiful view of the city. Little couch, sofa, bed area. Bathroom, very nice. Shower, not movable. The mirror, the sink, little towel rack, and yeah, that is the room.